Comes a Cessna flying crazy. It's the one tuned to sound like the helicopter. So he's turning to avoid the house and the tree. Treacherous area. Which is a cover-up for the military copter that turned behind 24191. Now he's right there. So this is the Cessna that was tuned like the helicopter. They changed it slightly and sent him back out, but it still has that rattle. He's able to do it if he wants. So he just did a cover-up for the military copter turn. So the intention for sending this guy out was so that they could have fabricated evidence for the helicopter that they flew over the other morning, 8:12 a.m. behind the clouds, to say that, oh, he did the spotlight a year ago also, because they don't have any videos of that besides whatever they made the other day. You see there's 24191, 1871. So now if you just fly them around a lot, then that wasn't what they were trying to do. They weren't trying to make a Cessna sound like a helicopter so they could use fabricated evidence and change the date like everything else they do. He's a civilian. And they had sent a jumbo out to only turn on its engines and project sound right above a Cessna afterward. They had sent a couple other Cessnas by, stupid cover-ups. So I don't know if they're still sticking to it and saying that it was a helicopter, or if they're trying to cover up for it right now and say that it was a civilian flying around the whole time. He's doing pulses. Looks like he's shifting around too. Yeah, he is. It's tremendous. Slightly left. 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 Left, right. Those are all little pulses. Looks stupid. And there he goes out over the park.